world is visible, not invisible. Hi friends, I'm Supriya. Today I'm going to take you on the verbal journey to a place where mystery is visible and leaving its traces from ages, and it's nothing but mystery of Mysore Palace. The royal gates, the fabulous garden, the grand architecture and mind-blowing paintings will take you to the time when royals ruled. The visitors are not allowed to click photos of the remarkable interiors and in few parts of the restricted areas. The sensational view of 1 lakh bulbs in the evening just mesmerize you. That's it. This is what you thought of Mysore Palace. Then let me tell you the unraveled mystery of Mysore, the tale which is still alive. Let me take you to the flashback when a king dared to take the jewelry of a woman and got a curse which cannot be lifted till date. The history is 400 years old when Raja defeated his viceroy of Vijayanagara, and King Tirumala Raja conquered the fort of Srirangapatnam and expanded the boundary of his Mysore dynasty. Tirumala Raja with his two wives had to shift to Talakkad, a small town near Mysore on the banks of river Kaveri, but unfortunately he died soon due to some disease. One of his wife, Alamelamma, shared a large amount of precious jewelry, which includes nose ring with large pearl, and she is the greatest devotee of Sriranganayagi, and she used to give her jewels for decorating Adiranga temple in Srirangapatnam for festivals. As you all know, some treasures of jewels involve some secret plan by a group to do something harmful. So here same thing happened with the climax and it took it to ugly turns. The temple authorities asked Raja to take the custody of the jewels, and assuming that Alamelamma is a widow and jewels are of no use to her, and king sent his delegates to ask for jewels from her. She gave only the nose ring and denied to give the other jewels from her. After listening to her denial, Raja sent the soldiers to recover the other jewels from her. This made her furious and she ran away with her jewels. But she could not escape from the army and she get caught at the edge of the river Kaveri, and she got to know that there is no ways to escape, and she jumped into the river with her jewels. But before jumping, she cursed with full of mental sufferings by saying, "Let Talakkadu be buried in sand, and may the kings of Mysore never ever have children." The curse soon reacted on Raja with sudden death of one of his sons during the time of Dasara celebrations. After that incident, the king ordered for a gold statue of Alamelamma, and from then her statue is worshipped as god on every ninth day of Dasara celebration. But this could not save the empire from Alamelamma's curse, and after 400 years too, the royal family has not been able to get male children. Over the years, Talakkad city also got buried in sand. This is the mystery story behind Mysore Palace. And finally, on December 7, 2017, the curse seems to be broken as the king and queen of Mysore became parents of baby boy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Whoever have not subscribed my channel, please do like and subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.